Today we're talking about a lean improvement, a big Kaizen we did on our new tube laser. So this is a LT7 tube laser from BLM. We got it about a year and a half, 2 years ago. Before this, we would cut all of our tubing by hand. The guy was standing there, he would cut it, they'd mark where the hole was gonna go, they would drill it. One of the problems with that, other than just the long time it takes to process it, is all the offall would turn into scrap. We'd either scrap the extra pieces we didn't need, or we'd set them off to the side, let them pile up, and then go pull from the scrap as we need it. So once the tube laser got here, we came up with an idea. So now it's programmed in the office. Whenever it comes out, the person runs the full job, and at the end of the bar, whatever's left on that, it's turned into a stock component. We use as much of that bar as we can with very little scrap. All those stock pieces, rather than just pile them up everywhere and pull them as we need them, we've created a process so they come over here to our filler store. This is our filler store here. We have our magnets on the board here and the parts over here. So what the operators do is they fill up the filler parts. Once one of them gets completed, they'll come over here, they'll take the green magnet off the board and put it on the rack. That tells engineering, when they program the jobs, no longer program that part because it's full and move on down to the next part. Then the downstream processes, whenever they have to make one of these, they'll come get that rack, they'll put the green magnet back on the board, take the rack with them, and then that'll tell engineering to go ahead and start reprogramming that part again so we can use it as a filler part. By doing this, we've got about 25, 30 racks up here of filler parts, material that we can reuse rather than just let it go into our scrap or offall and separate it later.